Hello, I am here in my house of the Constancia 303 Street, being uh, being being of the happy chicken. I need to go the arch calzada de los Héroes because my friends and me we go to the restaurant in the Madero. But we are going to meet in the arch to Calzado. There are three routes. That options. The first is that is this is faster, but is dangerous. There are fewer people, many cars pass by on Malecon. Here it takes 20. Here takes 22 minutes to head there. The option second is this. Is also dangerous. Mm, then of then of 8 o'clock p.m. for air walk, no, is recommendable. Here is take 27 minutes. 27 minutes to head there. For it's the option 3. It's the is this. Um this is the option 3. It's the safest to walk. Um, I will choose. I will choose the third. I will choose the third option. This is. I will total of 40 minutes. Of 2.4 kilometers. Okay. I go. I need to walk to the corner. Yeah, I will go to the corner and to right and to right and to January 20 Street. Yeah. And continue straight. Continue straight and we'll pass Aranda de la Parra Hospital. I'm continuing straight until Pedro Moreno Street. And continue to the left for Progreso Street. There are continue straight until walk Arch Triunfal de la Calzada. I have reached my destiny.